Monday, a fresh start to the new week. Time to be productive. I'm your host, Andrew, and this is Crypto Espresso, your teeny tiny daily shot of caffeinated crypto headlines. And hey, wait a minute, are you getting back into bed? But think of the news. Think of the news! First up, the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies has exceeded $1 trillion for the first time in over a month. CoinMarketCap data shows. The return to this psychologically significant threshold comes after Bitcoin broke through $22,000. This price point has proven a stubborn level of resistance for Bitcoin in recent weeks, with bulls given a boost after they successfully avoided a sustained fall below $20,000. But it's Ether that's by far the best performer on a 7-day time frame. The world's second largest cryptocurrency is now on the brink of cracking $1,500 after surging by 28.65% in 1 week. Heather Morgan, who hit headlines for her amateur rap videos and I guess also being accused of conspiracy to launder $4.5 billion worth of stolen Bitcoin, is being allowed to get a job. The 31-year-old, along with her husband, are currently awaiting trial for their alleged role in the 2016 hack of Bitfinex. Together, they have been accused of conspiring to launder almost 120,000 Bitcoin and enriching themselves in the process. On Friday, Morgan sought court approval to secure a new job while the legal proceedings continue. A judge has now granted this request, and there were no objections from prosecutors. As a result, the 31-year-old may engage in legitimate employment and receive income of greater than $10,000 per month. The US has been named the world's most crypto-friendly country, but it's tied in joint first place with a rather surprising contender, Germany. Researchers at CoinCub praised the European nation's progressive laws and favorable tax regime, since Bitcoin and Ether investors there can sell off their crypto without paying any capital gains, as long as they've held the coins for over a year. America was praised for having a high number of Bitcoin nodes and ATMs with high private demand for trading and mining. Singapore, Australia, and Switzerland make up the rest of the top 5 in a sign that actually adapting Bitcoin as legal tender isn't everything. So where did El Salvador rank? 35th. A volcano-powered Bitcoin city should fix that right up. And finally, Vladimir Putin has signed a law that bans crypto payments in Russia, amid claims they're behind a dramatic surge in pyramid schemes. The president's move means digital assets cannot be used to acquire goods, services, and products across the country. It comes after a tug of war between governmental bodies on the best way to handle the rise of cryptocurrencies. While the Bank of Russia wanted all crypto-related activity to be banned outright, the country's Ministry of Finance advocated for regulation. Meanwhile, figures from the Bank of Russia suggest 954 pyramid schemes were identified in the first half of 2022, 6.5 times higher than the same period a year earlier. Of those, 56% were said to have raised funds in various cryptocurrencies. No scams here though, just invest your likes, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on that little bell icon to get buzzed whenever a new Crypto Espresso video goes live, and then tell all of your friends to do the same thing. That's a two-dimensional triangle though, that's not a pyramid. Big difference. Alex is also very good at geometry and lives in the description below. Ask Alex for more info on our headlines or crypto in general. Alex is also a great resource for all things Web3 and that metaverse thing that Mark Zuckerberg is just all about. And with that, I've been your host, Andrew. These have been your headlines, and we'll see ya tomorrow.